Hi everybody, my name is Karen and I am the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on pros and cons of AP/IB versus dual enrollment. In this workshop, I will guide you through the definition of each and the differences of each. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the definitions of each. AP also stands for Advanced Placement. AP Classes is a program run by the College Board, which, as you may be familiar, the College Board is also the same company that does the SAT. And AP Classes strive to provide introductory college level courses to participating high schools. This means that you need to check with your high school to see if they offer any AP classes and what AP classes do they offer. And also, introductory college level courses mean that these classes are slightly more difficult than high school level courses. And students will receive college credit when they pass the AP exam. A passing score on the AP exam is a 3. It is scored on a 5-point scale. Let's move on to IB. IB also stands for International Baccalaureate. This is a program that allows students to take introductory college level courses at participating high schools, which, as you can see, they are very similar to AP courses. And students will receive college credit when they pass the IB exam, and the IB exam is scored on a 7-point scale. Please note that each college has its own requirements in terms of what type of college credit they want to give you based on your score on the AP or IB exam. And finally, we have dual enrollment. Dual enrollment is a program where students are allowed to enroll in a college or university in order to obtain college credit before graduating high school. This college credit is guaranteed. All right, so let's move on to the pros of AP and IB. No, not yet. All right, now let's start off with the pros of AP/IB. I put these together because these two are very similar in terms of their pros and their cons. AP and IB courses are taught at your high school, so there is no traveling involved. They make you stand out on college applications. College admission representatives love looking at the challenging courses and how have you prepared for your desired major. It's college prep. These are introductory college level courses, so they are slightly more challenging than regular high school level courses. It serves as a GPA booster. When you get a passing score, a high passing score on an AP or IB class, it gives you more of a GPA boost than a regular high school level class. It gives you the opportunity to be eligible for scholarships and grants. This goes for both AP and IB courses. This one is for AP classes only because IB classes are not offered in most U.S. high schools, but AP classes are. You are granted college credit only when you pass the exam, not when you pass the class. Achieving a passing grade on an AP or IB course does not guarantee you any college credit. The academic rigor. These classes are college level courses, meaning that they are more challenging than regular high school level courses, so please keep that in mind when you are going to enroll in one of these. The cost. In some cases, you're going to have to pay for the AP and IB classes, especially the exam, if your high school does not cover it. And not every college accepts AP/IB. As I mentioned before, every college has its own requirements in terms of how much credit they want to give you in terms of a score you achieve in the AP or IB exam. Now let's move on to the pros of dual enrollment. College prep. Just like AP and IB courses, dual enrollment courses definitely prepare you for college, especially because they are in a college setting. You will be taking these classes at a college. They make you stand out on college applications. As I mentioned before, college admission representatives love looking at the challenging courses you have been taking during your high school career, how you have been preparing for your major, and how you have been preparing for college. It is definitely a GPA booster because these classes are more challenging, just like AP and IB courses. You have guaranteed college credit. Because these classes are taken at a college, you are able to transfer that college credit in the classes you have taken to the college you will be attending during your freshman year. You can experience campus life. Because these classes are taken in a college setting, you'll be able to experience how going to a college class is like and how the environment in a college campus is like. There are online options available. If you're not the type who wants to travel from your high school to your community college or wherever you will be taking these dual enrollment classes, there are definitely some online options available. Just please make sure to check with your local community college to see if this is an option for you. Time consuming. These classes are usually taken after school, not during your high school time. So it might take up some time in your schedule. The academic rigor, just like AP/IB, these classes are college level courses. The cost. These classes are most likely not going to be covered by your high school, so please keep in mind the cost of the dual enrollment classes. Travel. These classes are not going to be taken at your high school. Therefore, you're going to have to travel to your community college or wherever you will be taking this class to be able to attend that class. And finally, these classes may have a possibility to interfere with your school schedule. So therefore, you have to make sure to schedule a dual enrollment class in the evening or check with your high school to see if they will let you leave early. Now here are some final tips I would like for you all to take away from this workshop. All options are great to stand on college applications. Regardless if you will receive college credit or not on the AP or IB courses, it is still a great idea to take them even though you don't know if you will pass the AP exam. Admission representatives love when students take on challenges. As I mentioned throughout the workshop, admission representatives love looking at how a high school student has prepared for college. And finally, hard work is the key to being successful. AP, IB, and dual enrollment classes are challenging courses. They are introductory college level courses. So please make sure to put some hard work in it so you can make sure to be able to be successful. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate it if you rate it and review our app on the App Store or Google Play. We very, very much appreciate any feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, if you would like to know about any other college readiness workshops, please make sure to check out our Plexus page, our Plexus YouTube page called Plexus Social Media. All right, thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.